HOTRUNNER presentation. HOTRUNNER, a HOTRUNNER innovation, 50 years experience in the plastics industry. Prior to reformed injection molding, capacities were handled by working on formed part quality. Also upgrades functional efficiencies, reduces scrap, and sets aside cash. A HOTRUNNER system is a liquid plastic passing unit used inside an injection molding. A HOTRUNNER system consists of warmed parts used inside the plastic injection molds, which brings the liquid plastic from the barrel of an injection forming machine into the pits of the shape. The benefits of HOTRUNNER: elimination of the runner with materials becoming more sophisticated and expensive. The cold runner becomes, in turn, expensive scrap, reduced cycle time, lower processing costs, improved molding system efficiency, parts of the highest quality, automation in molding, design adaptability, balanced melt flow. Temperature regulator. The measuring of HOTRUNNER dissolution channels relies upon many factors. For example, the kind of pitch, the infusion speed, fill rate, and the shaped part. A temperature regulator warms the HOTRUNNER system inside the injection form. The gum inside the machine barrel is heated to handling temperature and then fuses the gum into the shape. The pitch goes through the bay, down into the complex. Parts are then routed to the various spouts and through injection focuses, or doors, into the final shaped hole. Components of a HOTRUNNER: finding ring, channel, complex, spouts, warmer technology. How the HOTRUNNER systems work. The cold runner of a plastic infusion mold refers to the segment between the shaped gulf and the entryway. The liquid plastic keeps up with its smoothness inside the sprinter by the excellence of the infusion strain and its own hotness. Be that as it may, as a piece of the embellishment material, the sprinter isn't an item. Consequently, when designing a form, we really want to consider the filling impacts and, in addition, the material saving impact delivered by shortening or scaling down the sprinter. Yet in fact, it is difficult for us to have the smartest possible solution. HOTRUNNERs are available in a variety of styles and applications. When utilizing hot sprinter innovation, the proper determination of entryway type is critical because door type directly determines the choice of hot sprinter parts as well as assembling and use of molds. Thusly, for example, the hot sprinter system can be arranged into 3 kinds dependent on the entryway type. 1. Hot sprinter framework hot tip. 2. Hot sprinter spruce skating framework. 3. Hot sprinter valve gating framework. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor, as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay. Taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors. Evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address and follow us on our social media and also share on your social networks.